Dun, 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 dun. Tonight we find out dun, 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 Australia's favourite dancer, dun, 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 also dun, 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 the incredible dance dun, 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 brilliant voice of dun, 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 dun.
Che bellissimo. Ehi Jessica, meninin gostosa. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Brilliant night last night, like you said, some of the best performances of the series, but that opening number, I'm sorry. The costumes are crazy. Amazing. Natalie, yeah, I feel the tension out the back. All these guys want it really, really badly, and unfortunately two are going, but I can feel the tension out there, so I just want to wish them luck, because it's a yucky place to be right now, I reckon.
It is. Yeah. They're doing okay. Yeah. Funny. I just want to say about that routine, it was just out of this world. It was beyond the stars. And the very first bit, when they looked like they were going up in a rocket, it was just sensational. And I think there's going to be a few tears tonight in Australia because two of our favourite dancers are going to go home. We don't want them to, but that's what happens.
Yeah.
It's the name of the game,
Yeah.
so you think you could dance. And
Come on, look,
this
is fun.
But if I might just say, to me, seeing what I've just seen tonight,
Okay.
they are all women.
Jessica! I diggy diggy diggy! I diggy diggy diggy! Hey, princesa!
Hey!
Along the way, I think getting to the top 100, getting to the top 20, getting to the top 10,
Bye bye!
Bye.
Feels like we've only been
Let's go.
this year and it's almost over. So let's enjoy this.